you get the biggest advantage over here is by working independently. Yes, you heard me correctly. You get the option of working remotely at your own pace, at your own comfort, even if you are a job person, even if you have your own digital marketing agency. Hi guys, my name is Gaurav. In this video, I want to talk about the scope of digital marketing in 2020 and in the upcoming years. Before I go ahead and talk about this, I want to tell you why you should know about this. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. While nobody can predict what a post-COVID reality would look like, but one thing is certain for marketers, that is digital channels are now more important than ever. Online channels now play increasingly crucial role when it comes to online presence, and people continues to self-isolate themselves and spend more time on internet. According to a survey conducted in USA, in 60% of the companies, the employees who were working in these positions were not laid off, and 70% of those employees started working remotely. So this is the importance of marketing, and you must have got an idea here why it is so much important. Now let's talk about the scope of digital marketing in 2020 and in upcoming years. As per the experts in 2019, the kind of growth they were expecting till 2023 to 2025 in digital marketing and in digital media, the future has now come to the present, and people have started realizing the importance of digital media and social media game, right? So now is the best time when you should start leveraging your social media game and also build your online presence, so that you can start working on your building your personal brand, and that's going to give you a lot of benefit. Now, if you are thinking that how it can benefit you and create a kind of security over this field, then my friend, you get the biggest advantage over here is by working independently. Yes, you heard me correctly. You get the option of working remotely at your own pace, at your own comfort. Even if you are a job person, even if you have your own digital marketing agency, you can work remotely and you can work anywhere across the world. So this is the biggest advantage I think you can ever get in any of the working field. Now, I know most of the people must have that kind of questions, that their marketing fundamentals are not clear, and I can recommend you few of the best-selling marketing books which I have mentioned, which I have given in the link which is in my bio. You can just go ahead and click on the link, and there I have listed few of the best-selling books, and few of them I also currently reading. To name a few, that is This is Marketing by Seth Godin, and also the Permission Marketing, and having the Selling the Invisible. So these are the few favorite books of mine which I am currently reading, and I can recommend you at any time, because these are the books which you should definitely go for it, even if you are a digital marketer. This is all I want to talk about in this video, and if you like this video, do give this thumbs up and do share it with your friends and loved one, and don't forget to follow me. I will see you in the next video with a new topic.